The interest rates are still pretty high, right?
I'll answer that question, but I want to give it to you from a different viewpoint. So as an entrepreneur, I'm more focused on my return. So the interest rate is only, a calculation that helps me to predetermine what my ROI is going to be. So what we typically do, because we're setting people up with an SPV as a corporation, banks want to lend to corporations. I always say there's a loophole in the banking system that separates the individual from their, corporation, to where the bank is almost guaranteed to lend to them. So if we go and get a commercial loan on that SPV, the average interest rate is going to come in, especially with the lenders that we source out, you're going to come in at about 9 or 10%, which if you go back and look historically in the 80s and 70s, if you had great credit, interest rates were 12 and 13%. So historically, they're still lower, but now, instead of living in a house at a 9% interest rate that's not making you any money, what we're saying is hey, we're going to take that 9 or 10% interest rate and we're going to help you to make money from it.